Two additional things about find and replace in advanced. First, it is about replacing something as just a format. I will talk about the expression and how we could replace them and work, but in the regular finding and replacing, let's say I'm looking for any, as an example, 2, and I disable wildcard and replace with bold. I could go to Format, Find, Enable Bold, OK, and note that you don't need to retype 2 again to make it bold. Allow me to click on the replace first, it is selecting, and if I replace, as you see, it is getting bold. So you don't need to retype the exact same characters here too. Okay, every 2 now it is bold. Of course, we could do opposite. Let's say every 2, but this time we have one additional tip. Allow me to show you. For the replace, no formatting, I want to replace regular. And here, find what? If I go to Format, Find, and search for anything which it is bold, let's say anything, and start finding, it is search everything. Okay, but we're looking only for the 2. So I type it, 2, and replace with what? I'm going to Format, Find, and regular. Of course, we don't want to bold. Okay, and start finding, and if I press replace, as you see now, my replace, it is simply working. But in some cases, you might don't see the replacing and giving error. In this case, you have typed the value. Anyway, one additional feature we could use is using the clipboard advantage when we cannot type it. For example, I want to type and replace instead of any 2 to maybe 2 power of 3, something like that. Okay, I select it, right click copy, and press Ctrl or Command H to bring replace. Okay, search for any 2 and allow me to remove the formattings we don't want. Replace with, if I paste it here, you see it is not gonna work correctly because there is no additional features on this field. But we have some special wildcard actually operator to replace that. If I use the caret sign and C, this means everything it is inside of your clipboard. Now if I highlight first one here as an example and replace it, you see what's happening? It is with exact format, with exact settings, replacing. So if you cannot paste some special formats as an example, you could simply use copy first, select right click and copy, then here type caret sign, C for using clipboard and replace them all. Okay.